Hello and welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is News Now Overnight and I am Hina Gambhir. Viewers, Bihar is getting ready for assembly elections. The Election Commission today reviewed preparations for the upcoming polls. EC officials held interactions with representatives of various political parties. As per EC, the party unanimously urged that the assembly elections be held immediately after the Chhath festival. And soon after that, we are getting information that Congress party has appointed former Chief Ministers Bhupesh Baghel and Ashok Gehlot along with Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary as senior observers for Bihar Assembly elections. That's the big news that we are breaking for you right now. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Niyamika, Congress, we are being told, has also approved the proposal of, the appointment of 41 district election observers for Bihar. Clearly, Congress leaving no stone unturned to return to power there.
And certainly, the Congress party is gearing up for the upcoming assembly elections in the state of Bihar, and for that reason, now a big responsibility has been given to the former chief ministers, as the Congress party has appointed the former chief ministers Ashok Gehlot, Bhupesh Baghel, as well as the ex-member of parliament Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary as the senior observers for the upcoming Bihar assembly elections. Not just that, but in fact, the observers have also been appointed at the district levels, as the press release which has been shared by the Congress party today has also the names of a set of 41 leaders from all across the country who have been appointed as the election observers in every district of the state, as this also includes Avinash Pandey as well as Harish Chaudhary, Qazi Nizamuddin, Ajay Kumar Lallu and many other leaders who are basically senior leaders within the party. They have been given this responsibility, as Bihar elections are slated later this year, and the Congress party is leaving no stone unturned to return to power in the state along with its allies.
All right, Niyamika, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your